let's do example 4. Given triangle PQR, which is right angled. If PR is 39 units and the ratio of PQ to QR is 5:12, determine the actual length of PQ and QR. So this is a right angle triangle, so we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. So it means 5k squared plus 12k squared is equal to 39 squared, and then the reason is what? The Pythagoras theorem, like this. Okay, and then 5k squared will give us 25k squared, then 12k squared will give us 144k squared, and then it's equal to 1521 from 39 squared. Right, these are like terms, we can add them, so it becomes 169k squared is equal to 1521. Divide by 169 on both sides of the equation, we get that k squared is equal to 9. We can square root both sides here, we get that k is equal to positive or negative 3. The applicable one is k is equal to 3. We discard k is equal to negative 3. Now we can multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 3. So meaning that PQ is equal to 15 units and QR is equal to 36 units. This is how we can apply ratios to calculate the actual quantities.